Affidavit. It's a written statement confirmed by oath. Have you ever had to prepare an affidavit? Attestation. It means the act of providing evidence or testimony. How important is attestation in legal matters? Share your insights below. Conjunction. It's a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. What conjunctions do you frequently use? Penetration. It refers to the act of entering or piercing through. How do you handle situations that require penetration? Share your thoughts below. Occurrences. It refers to events or incidents that happen. What notable occurrences stand out in your memory? Algorithm. It's a set of rules or a step-by-step procedure for solving problems. How do algorithms impact our daily lives? Intrusion. It means the act of entering a place or situation uninvited. How do you handle intrusions in your life? Infestation. It refers to the presence of an unusually large number of pests or organisms. How do you deal with infestations in your surroundings? Weeps. It means to shed tears or cry. What emotions come to mind when someone weeps? Caucasian. It relates to or is characteristic of the Caucasian race. How do you perceive discussions around race? Combat. It means to engage in a fight or conflict. How do you combat challenges in your life? Phenomenon. It refers to a fact or event that can be observed. What natural phenomena fascinate you? Endorse. It means to approve or support formally. How important is it to have endorsements in your life? Affirmative. It means positive or confirming. How often do you use affirmative language? Prosper. It means to succeed or thrive. How do you define prosperity in your life? Constant. It means unchanging or remaining the same. What constants bring stability to your life? Execute. It means to carry out or accomplish. How do you execute your plans effectively? Innovation. It refers to the introduction of something new or different. How does innovation impact your life? Scope. It refers to the extent or range of something. What's the scope of your interests? Campaign. It's a planned series of activities for a specific purpose. What campaigns have inspired you? Efficiency. It's the ability to produce results with minimal waste. How do you enhance efficiency in your daily tasks? Pessimistic. It means having a negative outlook. How do you overcome pessimistic thoughts? Pernicious. It means having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. The synonyms are destructive, damaging, detrimental, deleterious, adverse. Myriad. It refers to a very large number, countless or extremely great in number. The synonyms are countless, innumerable, numerous, abundant, multitude. Quell. It refer to suppress, put an end to. The synonyms are suppress, subdue, squash, quash, quench. Disparate. It means distinct in kind, essentially different. The synonyms are different, diverse, varied, dissimilar, unrelated. Capitulate. It means to surrender or cease resisting, give in. The synonyms are surrender, yield, submit, relent, concede. Garrulous. It means excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters. The synonyms are talkative, chatty, loquacious, voluble, glib. Lethargic. It means sluggish and apathetic. The synonyms are listless, torpid, sluggish, inert, apathetic. Cacophony. It refers to a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. The synonyms are noise, discord, clamour, dissonance, racket. Violate. It means to breach or disregard a rule or agreement. Synonyms include infringe and contravene. Can you recall a situation where rules were violated? Share your thoughts below. Efforts. It refers to actions taken to achieve a goal. Synonyms include endeavors and striving. How do you prioritize your efforts in daily life? Share your thoughts below. Core. It refers to the central or essential part. Synonyms include central and fundamental. What's the core of your beliefs? Share in the comments below. For vital, our word of the day, it means absolutely necessary or important. Synonyms include essential and crucial. What do you consider vital in your life? Share your thoughts below. Determine. It means to ascertain or decide. Synonyms include ascertain and decide. How do you determine your goals? Share your insights below. Forensic. It relates to the application of scientific methods. Synonyms include investigative and scientific. How is forensic science shaping our world? Share your thoughts below. Volatile. It means tending to change rapidly and unpredictably. Synonyms include unstable and fluctuating. How do volatile situations impact our lives? Share your thoughts below. Affirmation. It's a positive statement or assertion. How do affirmations impact your mindset? Share your thoughts below. On board. It means agreeing or accepting a plan or idea. Are you on board with the latest trends? Share in the comments below. Optimistic. It means having a positive outlook. How do you stay optimistic in challenging times? Share your thoughts below. Scrap. It means to discard or get rid of something. Synonyms include abandon and dispose. How often do you scrap unnecessary items in your life? Share your thoughts below. Perceived. It means recognized or understood based on interpretation. Synonyms include discerned and noticed. How do perceptions shape our understanding of the world? Share your thoughts below. Stricter. It means more severe or rigorous. Synonyms include harsher and stringent. How do stricter rules impact our lives? Share your thoughts below. Disgruntled. It means dissatisfied or unhappy. Feeling disgruntled lately? Share your experiences below. Scent. It's a distinctive smell or fragrance. What scents evoke strong memories for you? Share in the comments below. Possession. It refers to ownership or control. What possessions are most valuable to you? Share your thoughts below. Maneuver. It's a skillful move or series of moves. What maneuvers do you employ in navigating challenges? Share your thoughts below. Vague. It means unclear or indefinite. How do you handle vague information? Share your insights below. Subscribe for daily linguistic insights. Word of the day, Lexiloom, vocabulary journey, vague.